Good morning, children. I am your maths teacher, Manisha teacher. Today's topic. Today we are going to learn first one multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Second multiplication by 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Third multiplication by 200, 300, 400 and so on 900. Multiplication of fourth one multiplication of a two-digit number by a two-digit number and multiplication of a three-digit number by a two-digit number. So first let us start with the multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Now multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. So see children, here first problem A, 5 into 10. So for this what you have to do, you have to multiply 5 with 1, means 5 ones are 5 you have to write. Now how many zeros are there? 1 0 is there. So write 1 0 after 5. So answer is 50. Now see the B. 9 into 100. So first what we have to do? We have to multiply 9 ones are 9 ones are 9. Now how many zeros are there? 1, 2. 2 zeros are there. So after 9 write 2 zeros. Now see 5 into 1000. Here also what we will do? We will multiply only with the number, means 5 ones are 5. And how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So we will write down 3 zeros. So the answer is 5000. Now see the D1. Here what it is given? 8 into what? Dash will give you 800. So first what you have to do? Only you take 8. With which number if you multiply 8? We get 8. So when we multiply 8 with 1, we get 8. So here you have to write 1. Now see here, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So write 2 zeros after 1. So 8 into 100 is equal to 800. Now multiplication by 20, 30, 40 and so on up to 90. So see here a problem, 15 into 20. Here what you have to do? First we will multiply 15 into 2. For this what you have to do? 2 5s are 10, 0. 1 you have to write as a carry number. Now 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. Now see here 1 0 is there. So this 0 you will write after the answer. So the answer is 300. Understood children? Always the zeros whatever are present in the question, you have to write them after the answer, not before the answer. Now see B, 23 into 50. Here also we will leave 0, only number is 5. So 23 into 5 we will multiply. So 5 into 3 first. So 5 3s are 15, 5, 1 carry. Now 5 2s are 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. Now 1 0 is there. So this 0 we will write after the number. So the answer is 1150. Now multiplication by 200, 300, 400 and so on up to 900. So see here A, 18 into 200. So for this, here leave the 0. Only we will first we will consider 2. So 18 into 2 we will find out. 8 into 2. 18 into 2. 2 8s are 16. 6. 1 carry number. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. Now how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So after that 2 0 we will write. So the answer is 3600. Now B, 46 into 600. So first what we have to do? We will multiply 46 with 6 only. We will not consider the 0. We will multiply 46 into 6. So 6 into 6, 6 6 are 36. 6, 3 carry over. 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27. And how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So after number we will write down 2 zeros. So answer is 27,600. Now children, open your textbook, page number 76. Page number 76. So exercise 5.7. Question number 1. Write the product in the blank boxes. A problem, 9 into dash is equal to 90. So here leave this 0. 9 into which number will give you 9? 9 ones are 9. And 1 0 is there. That 0 you will write after 1. So 9 tens are 90. Now B, 15 into 10 is equal to what? Now here also we will multiply 15 into 1. So 15 ones are 15 and 0 is there. So that 0 we will write after 15. So answer is 150. C, 26 into dash is equal to 260. Now leave this 0. 26 into what will give us 26, means we are getting the same number. So when we multiply any number by 1, means 26 into 1 is equal to 26. And this 0 we will write after 1. So 26 into 10 is equal to 260. 45 into 100, D1. So here multiply 45 into 1. 45 ones are 45. How many zeros are there? 1, 2. So after 45 we will write 2 zeros. So the answer is 4,500. E and F you will do it as homework. Now second one, find the product. A, 4 into 20. So this 0 you leave it. 4 into 20. 4 2s are 8 and 0 you will write after 8. So 4 20s are 80. B, 5 into 30. So first we will multiply 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15 and 1 0 is there. So 0. So the answer is 150. Now 12 into 4 we will multiply. Leave this 0. 12 into 4. So first we will multiply 4. 4 2s are 8. Then 4 1s are 4. And now 0 is there. So 1 0 we will write. So 480 is the answer. D, 25 into 60. Here also first we will multiply 25 into 6. We will not consider the 0 now. First multiply it. 6 5s are 30. 0, 3 carry number. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Now 1 0 is there. So this 0 we will write here after 150. So the answer is 1500. E, F, you will do it as homework. Now third one, multiply. A, 9 into 900. Means first we will multiply 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81. Now how many zeros are there? 1, 2. So after 81 we will write 2 zeros. So the answer is 8100. B, 12 into 200. So first we will multiply 12 into 2. So first we will multiply 2 2s are. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. And how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So after 24 we will write 2 zeros. So answer is 2400. C. Now we will multiply here 11 into 800 is there. So first we will multiply 11 into 8. So 11 8s are 88. And how many zeros are there? 1, 2. So after 88 we will write 2 zeros. So the answer is 8800. D. 32 into 300. 32 into 300. First we will multiply 32 into 3. So 3 into 2 first we will do. 3 2s are 6. Then you multiply 3 3s are 9. Now here how many zeros are there? 1, 2. So 2 zeros you will write after 96. So answer is 9600. This E and F you will do it as homework. Now children, open your page number 77. Page number 77. Now we will learn how to multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. Means here 13 is there and 15 is there. How we will multiply them? For this, what you have to do? You have to first start with the digit in the ones place. Means in the ones place 15 is there. So first we will multiply with 5 is there, sorry. In the ones place 5 is there. So first we will multiply with the number in the ones place. So 5 3s are 15. 5 1 carry over. Now we will multiply by 1. So 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1 6. Now children, as 5 was in ones place, we have written the answer in the ones place. Now we will go to the tens place. Here 1 is there. We will multiply with the tens place number. So the answer also we have to write it in the tens place. So you will think what we will write here. Children, you have to write here 0 first of all. First you have to write here 0 before starting the multiplication with the tens place. Now we will multiply 1 with the ones place of the above number. Means this is in tens place and this is in ones place. So 1 3s are 3 and the answer we will write it in the tens place. Now this one we will multiply with the 1. So 1 ones are 1. Now we have to add these two numbers. Children, listen one more thing. If you have doubt, you write it here with 5, multiplying with 5, and here multiplying with 1. You can write it like that also. Now we will add these two, 65 and 130. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 3, 9. 1, 1. Now B, 25 into 12. Here also first we will multiply with 2 because 2 is in ones place. We will multiply these 2 with 25. So 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 carry over right here with 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. As I told, now we have to multiply with ones, that is in tens place. So here below ones you have to write 0. So now we will multiply with 1. 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2. Now we will add these two, 50 plus 250. 0 plus 0, 0 with 1. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry number. 2 plus 1, 3. So the answer is 300. Now C, D. E, 41 into 32. Here again we will multiply first 2 with 41. So here with 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 4s are 8. Now 3 is in tens place. So answer we will write it in tens place. So in ones place we have to write 0. 3 ones are 3. 3 4s are 12. Now we will add these two. 2 plus 0, 2. 8 plus 3, 11. 1, 1 carry over. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 as it is. So the answer is 1312. Now F, 72 into 36. Here first we will multiply 6 with 72 and then 3 with 72 with 6. 6 twos are 12, 2, 1 carry over. 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 1, 43. Now as 3 is in tens place, so answer also we have to write it in tens place. So in ones place we will write 0. 3 twos are 6. 3 sevens are 21. Now we will add 432 plus 2160. 2 plus 0, 2. 6 plus 3, 9. 4 plus 1, 5. 2. So the answer is 2592. Now children, turn the page. Before that, this G. C, D and G you have to do as homework. Exercise 5.9, page number 78. Here also multiplication you have to do, but now we will learn 3-digit number. Means 3-digit number means 3 numbers are there multiplying by 2 digits. So 375 into 16. First problem. 375 into 16. Here also what we have to do? First we will multiply 6 with 375 and then 1 with 375. So let us start multiplying 6 with 375. 6 5s are 30. 0, 3, carry over. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3, 45. 5, 4. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4, 22. Now 1 we have to multiply with 375, but 1 is in tens place. So here in ones place we will write 0. 1 5s are 5, 1 7s are 7, 1 3s are 3. Now we will add these two numbers. 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 0, 10, 5 plus 5, 10 means 0 we will write here, 1 we will carry over. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Again 0 here, 1 we will carry over. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So the answer is 6000. Here multiplying with 1. B. 215 into 29. Here we have to multiply by 29. So first we will multiply by 9 and then we will multiply by 2. So first we have to multiply with 9 and then we will multiply by 2. So 9. 9 5s are 45. 5, 4. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 3, 1 carry. 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19. Now we multiply with 2. 2 is in tens place. So here we have to write 0. 2 5s are 10. 0. This carry number you will write above the first carrying number. You strike it out because as this we have used it. So we will strike it out. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 2s are 4. So now we will add this. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 0, 3. 9 plus 3, 12. 2 plus, no carry over 1. 9 plus 3, 12. 2 here, 1 carry over. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So the answer is 6235. Now see, 459 multiply by 15. First we will multiply with 5, then we will multiply with 1. With 5, with 1. 5 nines are 45. 5, 4 carried over. 5 fives are 25. 25 plus 4, 29. 9, 2 carry over. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Now we multiply with 1. 1 is in tens place. So here we will write 0 in ones place. So 1 nines are 9. 1 fives are 5. 1 fours are 4. Now we will add these two. 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 9, 18. 8 and carry over 1. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 4, 6. So the answer is 6885. Now see D. 264 multiplied by 36. So first we will multiply 6 with 264, then 3 with 264. So let us multiply 6 with 6 with 3. So 6 fours are 24, means 4 we will write here, 2 carry over. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 2, 38. 3 carry over. 8 here, 3 carry over. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So we will write 15 here. Now we will multiply by 3. So before starting it, you have to write 0 in the ones place. Why? Because 3 is in the tens place. We are multiplying the number which is in the tens place. So 3 fours are 12. 2. Now as these two carrying number already we have completed, strike it off. Now 3 fours are 12, means 2 here, carry number 1. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 9. 1 carry to the next place. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Now we will add 1584 and 7920. 4 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 2, 10. 0, 1 carry over. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 5 here, 1 carry over. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. So the answer is 9504. E and F, you will do it as homework. So, thank you children.